It's just straight drop.
Okay, mate, I'm bringing my camera in so I can film you at the same thing. It's not that steep. What's wrong with you?
No, it'd be a good camera shot, mate.
Well, keep going up the other hill. I think you'll be a better camera shot from the other hill and taking down this hill and up the other side.
Are you going to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At first hill, you don't have to go all the way to the second hill.
So go to the second hill, mate,
That's it. Just go to the first hill there, at the top of the hill in front of you. And then get out your camera and then do it.
Okay. Got the chicken run?
I don't care which way you take.
There's a nice looking ledge at the top of that second hill.
Maybe just hairy from us looking at it. We'll see. How is it?
Just that last bit was hard. I'm on top of the hill, so I'm going to shut down and get the camera out.
I'm going to have a whittle.
Alright. This one's all ready with the camera.
That's it, you gotta go.
Alright, gonna go through.
You want to, well, you went to the loo?
Yeah.
You want to, put some of this stuff on your hands? Saves you food? You got food in the car?
Oh yeah. Oh,
Just
good
that alcohol-based stuff.
Oh, sweet. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, it's even better. Oh, fuck, it's cold. Oh, it's beautiful. I've let my hands dry. Grab that steering wheel.
Okay. Nathan's coming now. section, isn't it? Just meant getting the correct line.
Am I pulling in?